Pues a case is coming from Karnataka. Okay, it is about some politician. Some politician's daughter has been murdered by this man. Okay, and man's name is Fayaz, I think. Okay, so of course it is a political matter, and everybody is trying to turn it into something religious, something to do with religion. What the daughter's father has been telling, that this man was making advances to the girls many times. He has made his advances to the girl, which girl opposed, and still this man went ahead and murdered the girl. Again, as I always tell you, he has done a crime and he must be punished for the crime that he has done. But see, today only I am reading this news that the boy's mother is making her statement now, and what she is telling, that the girl and the boy has been friends. Boys, whoever listens to my video, what I tell you all the time, a girl cannot just go and be friendly with a man, around the man, and then just go away out of his life. If you are becoming a friend to a man, man is dreaming about having sex with you. Don't think that you will just go and bumble around the man, do whatever, and very safely will move away from him. No, girls, men can go crazy. If you are giving them the hopes of sex, maybe you are acting too friendly to them, maybe you are acting too nice to them, and maybe you are just bumbling around them. You are actually giving them the hopes of sex, and many of you girls deliberately do this to use the boys for something, maybe for attention, maybe for favors, maybe for money, maybe for some assistance. You girls very often do it with boys. You go to them, you give them fake hopes, and then after using them, you just tell them that now it cannot work and we need to move apart. Girls, you never know how you make these men feel when you tell them that you were just friends and you were not hoping more than friendship, and you cannot have sex with him, and after using him, after acting very friendly with him and being with him for a period of time, you think you'll just tell him that it's okay, we are moving apart and there is nothing serious about both of us, and I was not thinking about sex, and if you were thinking about sex, it is your mistake. Girls, we men are made to fuck you. We are evolutionary designed to have sex with you. If you think that you'll come in our life and be very friendly, act very nice and sweet, and we will just stay friends with you, and the day you will feel that it's okay now, end the friendship and I want to move in my life, we will just let you go like this. I don't know where this logic has come from. Obviously, I know that Bollywood has fucked up the brain of humans. It has given us all fake things, TV and movies. Whereas in reality, we men and women are made to have sex with each other, and sex is just so intense of a force that it is not easy, especially for us men. It is not easy to have control over our sexual urge. Don't think that you'll come to us, be close with us, and then you will go away without having sex with us. It is not possible. This is what it does to the brain of the men. See, the society will keep on telling you that this man is the criminal and he has done a crime and he must be punished. But you people are not looking at the other side of the story. You people do not want to focus on both sides of the story. What this girl was doing with this man when she had no intention of having sex with him. Why she was acting friendly with him, why she was acting nice with him, why she was going to him. What was she doing around this man for these many years or for such long time? You cannot just go around and be with a man and after killing a time, you cannot just go away from him without giving him sex. Don't think it is some movie going on. Don't think it is some TV serial going on. This is what it does to brain, does to the man's head. It just fucks up his brain. And I am telling you, in 99.99% of cases, either the man hurts himself when you do this with men, when you do this with these boys. You just use them, play your game with them, and then you think you can easily move on in your life without caring about him, without caring about his desires, without caring about how he would feel about it. It fucks up the brain of man, and either the man hurts himself or he will go and hurt you. This girl was friends to this man, and then she started ignoring him because of whatever reasons, and it just fucked up the brain of the man. He went ahead and stabbed the girl. He killed her. If you people are not learning from such cases, only God can take care of you then. This is what happens in 99.99% of the cases. And the world is still not willing to have an eye over this, to notice this, to even talk about this. If some girl starts showing interest in you, clearly, very clearly tell her that if she is not ready to have sex with you, you don't involve yourself with her. If she shows any hesitation in having sex with you, only if the girl is willing to have sex with you, then only go and involve yourself with the girl. And then if the girl will move on and will leave you after you two will be having good time and having sex with each other for a period of time, it won't hurt you then, it won't pain you much then. But if she will leave you without having sex with you, you are going to suffer, and this is what will happen. You will turn yourself into a criminal, and you will go and either stab the girl or you will go and punish yourself in some way. But I still want all of you to understand this, that just because TV and movies have started showing something very casually, don't think our evolution has changed. I mean, that evolution of thousands of years is still in us. We men are still same, girls are still same. And if you will go and involve yourself with opposite gender without sex, there will be consequences. There are consequences in almost 99.99% of such cases. Only problem is that the society is not willing to notice it. And this is what has happened in this case. The girl and the boy were friends. They have been together for a period of time. Then because of some reason, the girl started ignoring him. This changed attitude of the girl fucked up the brain of the boy, the man, and this man went ahead and became a criminal. He committed the crime. So if any one of you don't want to turn yourself into a criminal and don't want yourself to reach to this stage, stay away from all the girls who are not willing to have sex with. They show any hesitation in having sex with you, immediately pull yourself away from those girls. And to you girls, if you want to keep yourself safe from such crime, don't involve yourself with men or boys with whom you are not willing to have sex with. Only go and involve yourself with the boys you are willing to have sex with. You do not mind having sex with. Go and have sex with him. And then if you will leave him after having sex, he will not become a criminal. He will not come after you to punish you. But if you think that you will go and become friends with some boy and you will be around him and you will use him for attention and favors, and then suddenly you will change and you think you will just move on in your life without giving him sex, without caring about what he desires, what he feels, this is what the man will turn into, and this is what the man will do to you.